So today I'm riding the LRT for the second time. I've only done it once before when I was going to the Google office in Central. It's like hella packed. It's really busy. It's the weekend and I'm just going to see a friend in Bangsar. But if you're in the first car, it's actually very cool because there's a window. It seems driverless, which maybe that's true, but you can actually see where you're going. This is cool. It feels like you're getting like a bird's eye view into what really goes on for a driver. Actually really fun. It was fast. Wait, I think I'm lost. Hold on. That way. Okay. Alright, well I'm definitely sweatier than I am normally when I'm just driving around in an Uber. So I'm not sure I'll do this very often, but that was really fun. And if you're just visiting Kuala Lumpur, you have to try that because going from underground to above ground, I don't know, feels like you're a little kid on a ride. It's cool. And I do like how the tokens that they use here are eco-friendly. I think that's a really great solution to paper tickets. Hi!